In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage user access to Copilot through the Microsoft Admin Center. Whether you're granting or revoking permissions or adjusting role-based policies, it's all crucial to maintaining a secure and efficient workspace. Let's dive in and explore each step thoroughly. We begin our journey in the Microsoft Admin Center. Logging into the Admin Center is your first task. Make sure you have the necessary administrative privileges, as you'll need these to perform changes. Once you've logged in, you're greeted with a dashboard filled with various options and tools. Your goal is to find the area dedicated to Copilot user permissions. Next, let's navigate to the Copilot user permissions section. On the dashboard, look for a menu or a navigation bar that usually resides on the left side of the screen. There, you'll find several options, but focus on the ones related to security and user management, as those are key to accessing permissions. Click through to the specific section, Handling Copilot Permissions, where you can view a list of users or groups associated with Copilot within your organization. Once here, you'll be able to assign or revoke access to users or groups of your choice. If you're granting access, select Add User or Add Group. The option usually appears as a button or a drop-down choice. Follow the prompts to enter the details of the user or group you wish to grant access to. On the other hand, revoking access is just as simple. Locate the user or group in the list and you'll find an option to remove or revoke their permissions. Use this with caution, as it will limit their access to Copilot features. Upon setting these basic permissions, it's time to configure role-based permissions. These permissions allow you to fine-tune access levels according to specific roles within your organization. This is crucial as it helps in distributing functionalities according to job requirements and responsibilities. You'll usually find a roles or role-based access section within the Copilot permissions area. Here, you can adjust the settings to fit different profiles, ensuring only those who need access to particular features have it. After configuring the permissions, never forget the importance of saving your changes. There's typically a save button at the bottom or top of the page, sometimes both. But remember, saving isn't the final step. Enforcing these changes is crucial. This ensures that the modified permissions are applied across your system effectively. Check if there's a policy enforcement option or simply a reminder to confirm the changes you've made, and there you have it. From accessing the Microsoft Admin Center to saving and enforcing policies, you have now effectively managed